Russia has intensified efforts to boost the production and enhancement of its Tu-160M nuclear bombers. Under 2018 contract with the Russian Defense Ministry, Kazan aircraft plant is on track to deliver 10 new Tu-160M bombers by 2027, having already supplied 3. United States, Israel and Ukraine are considering transferring Patriot air defense systems to strengthen Ukrainian defenses against frequent Russian airstrikes. The potential transfer could significantly shift Israel's stance in the Ukraine conflict, as Israel has maintained a cautious approach to the conflict, avoiding direct criticism of Russia. Russian military operations signifies a significant shift in tactical approaches, as Russian troop groups have adopted the use of Baba Yaga-type drones, which are capable of carrying and deploying 282mm mines, allowing drones to conduct precise strikes, minimizing the risk of detection and countermeasures. Azerbaijan Armed Forces has taken delivery of its first C27J Spartan military transport aircraft from Italian aerospace firm Leonardo. The C27J has maximum payload capacity of 11,300 kilograms, enough to carry up to 60 troops with ability to take off and land on short and unprepared runways.